Okay, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to download Kali Linux and VMware. So first, you need to go to the Kali download. Go to the official website. So if you see download Kali Linux image, so there's so many. Just pick this one, HTTP. So get the 64-bit Kali Linux. So if you see the version, get the latest version. So just pick the latest version of Kali Linux. So download it. So I already have the file, so I don't need to download again. So open your VMware. So create new virtual machine. Click the, if you see this installer, this image, go to the browser and desktop. Get the Kali Linux and open it. So next, Linux, so Ubuntu. Next, so how many, just give it at least 40. So we want this virtual disk on a simple file, so single file. So click this. Next, so customize the hardware. So how many memory? So at least 8. In my computer I have 16, so I give it 8. Processor, give it 4 because I have 8. So yeah, so close and finish. So click this. Okay, so this is the installation for Kali Linux. So okay, so live, so install, click install. Okay, so pick English, so it doesn't matter United States, so United States, America. Okay, so just finish the installation, so yeah, it's up to you. Man. Okay, so please enter your host name for the system. Host name, so Kali. So continue. Okay, so set up the user and password. So the root password. So okay, so the root password, you should remember the password. So I'm gonna, okay, what? Okay, so put your password. So continue. So set the user password, enter the password. Okay, so pick the first one. Okay, all file in one partition. So yes, finish partition with right change to this. Yes. Okay, so we just wait. So continue. Okay, so the installation is done. So type Kali. So your password. So do you remember your password? So right. Okay, so yeah, this is how you install Kali Linux.